I'm trying to put together a 10 item capsule wardrobe, and I don't have all 10 core items yet, but I do have most of them. I've got my extras, and I've got a great new accessory that should work with almost everything. I can't wait to show it to you. This spring and summer lookbook is brought to you by Teddy Blake Handbags. Teddy Blake makes luxury handbags at an affordable price. Enjoy the luxury feel and smell of real leather, as all Teddy Blake bags are made with luxurious leather from Italy's finest pelletteries. They're dyed and treated to withstand the test of time and maintain a luxurious look. They use premium Italian leather and experienced craftsmen to create their designs. You've got to check out Teddy Blake Handbags at www.teddyblake.com. I'm starting off my spring and summer lookbook with just a basic look, something that's just a little funky. And in the spring and summer, I like to wear graphic tees, and I like to wear them with a pair of high-waisted jeans. So these are pieces that I pulled from my closet, nothing new. But definitely these high-waisted jeans will be one of my core items, as will this graphic tee. And my Teddy Blake handbag is the perfect accessory. I can dress this look up by adding this very stylish and luxurious bag. And on my feet, I've just got a pair of black kicks, just something to just complement the black in the t-shirt. So this is one of my core pieces, and this graphic tee will work well with another piece. Let me show you. I'll get a lot of wear out of these white capris with this black and white graphic tee. And again, this is a staple piece in my wardrobe. I'm just pulling it out from last summer. And one of the things that I'm always conscious of is that whereas it may be warm outside, sometimes when you go indoors with the air conditioning, it's a little bit cool. So I like to have this basic white shirt to use as an outer layer. To give it a little interest, I can always do this. But most of the time, I just throw it over my shoulders. Another one of my extras is this black and white plaid shirt. For some reason, I love black and white for spring and summer. And again, it's something that I use for layering, and it goes beautifully with this graphic tee. And of course, it pairs nicely with this dark orange Kim croc. Now, another little extra that I have is this simple little black t-shirt with white lettering on it. And as I said, I do like to get just a little bit funky in the spring and summer with a pair of white capris or jeans. But I don't like my tees to be too busy. These are probably about the only two that I wear. And then this one will pair nicely with my white capris, black jeans, or my regular denim jeans, denim skirt, whatever. And I can also throw it on underneath this white shirt, so it makes a really nice look. Now, a new core item that I picked up is this lovely floral pleated skirt. Look at that. You've got a soft orange with beige and green and just a softest hint of yellow. And I've always loved pleats. Even when I was a girl, I loved pleats. I picked this up at TJ Maxx, and when I was on my way to the checkout line, I found this pretty little t-shirt, just a soft, kind of a silk t-shirt that perfectly complements it. Look at that. This is a top that I'm bringing back from last summer, and just look how nicely it picks up that hint of green in the skirt beautifully. And of course, the colors pair perfectly with my new Teddy Blake bag. Now here are two extras that I'm pulling forward from last summer as well. And the nice thing about these two cream colored tops, they'll go with my jeans, my denim skirts, and just about anything that I want to put with them. I think one of the reasons why I really like these kind of pleated skirts is because they are so forgiving. They flatter just about any body shape. And this denim skirt is certainly one you guys have seen often, and I'll continue to rock it this spring and summer. But in the summer, I like to pair it with a lightweight top, t-shirt, and these simple white kids. And you can see how this top goes with this skirt as well. This skirt is very much in the style of that orange floral. And this skirt is one that I pulled from the fall and winter. I wear it with a black top in fall and winter, and I pair it with this lighter color for spring and summer. And this is a piece that I'm bringing back from last summer as well. It's a black and white floral jumpsuit, very lightweight cotton. The neck's a little low, so I usually will tuck this little camisole down below it. Sometimes I'll use a white one. Today it's this darker color, but it's very nice, light and airy, and it's perfect for summer. And the color, the pattern is such a neutral that of course my flower-like Teddy Blake bag goes with it as well. And I wear it with just a pair of simple white kids, or I can dress it up with some sandals or mules. And then there is this lovely, lovely little blue and white cotton dress. I am loving maxi dresses, and they are so nice to wear on hot summer days. They are just so cool. So I'll be getting lots of use out of this one. And I love the detailing of the ruffle at the bottom. Let's talk about jewelry before I show you the last piece. One of the pairs of earrings that I wear quite a bit during the summer are these gold boyfriend hoops. My son gave them to me for Mother's Day last year. The other two pieces of jewelry that I wear quite a bit is this pearl necklace and these drop pearl earrings. My husband gave me this pearl necklace years ago. I have no idea where he got it, but the pearl earrings are from Majuri, just like the gold boyfriend earrings. I'll put a link in the description box just in case you're interested in checking anything out. And this is one of the dresses that I'll certainly be wearing quite a bit during the summer. We go to a lot of outdoor concerts. We like to go to the beach, and I love off-shoulder dresses in the summer. And it's nice and long, little maxi dress, and it's got a ruffle at the bottom. I saved the best for one of the last. I just feel so feminine, so pretty, so flirty in this off-shoulder black and orange floral. For more homemaking inspiration, click here. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying, you are not done yet. Click on the link in the comment section below and check out Teddy Blake at www.teddyblake.com, and I will see you next time.